changing your energy with simply breath and movements, tips and tricks from Qigong. So this is going to be a fantastic experience for you. Just follow along. I want you to just find a nice space and follow me as we go. So first we're going to start with one hand on the belly, one hand on the chest, wave breathing. Big breath in, into the belly and then the chest, and then out the nose, and then the mouth. Big breath in, out the nose, and then the mouth. Again, big breath, and out. Couple more, and out. One more time. So this breathing in the belly and in the chest, you're regulating the energy, the nervous system between your brain, your heart, and your gut, all these neurological connections. And then breathing out your nose and then your mouth, you're dropping your nervous system even more into a digest and rest. And the longer breath out, you're dropping even deeper and deeper. So just this breathing technique will change your energy. We're going to keep going. So next thing, I want you to focus on your spine, on your vertebrae, on bring your mind into your body, because our mind is it's always out there doing our tasks, out there in the world. You know, maybe we're eating and watching something. It's like our mind and body is so disconnected. So let's bring our mind into our body, into our spine. Spinal cord breathing. Hands are going to start here. I'm going to inhale, arch back. Exhale. And just curl lower back, upper back, neck. Inhale. Again, bring your mind into the spine. That same wave breathing. And exhale. Let go of the stories, let go of the judgments. Come into your spine. Exhale. One more time. And out. Good. Now, really great for your spine just to warm up to. In Qigong, the idea is that when we stop moving something is when it starts to rust up, when we start to get stiff and the chi stops flowing, or the energy or the life force. So fantastic. Okay, so next movement is we're going to really focus on just moving the energy down and shaking. Okay, so this is such a fantastic way just to reset your energy. Okay, so I'm going to simply just hop up and down and shake. Big breath in and out the mouth. Big breath in and out the mouth. 2 more times. Big breath. One more time. Good. Let it relax, let it settle. Okay, so another fantastic way to reset your nervous system is bilateral tapping. So I'm going to bring one hand here, one hand here. I'm just going to tap really slow, nice, rhythmic. So here, we're actually syncing up both sides of the brain. We're bringing the brain into this hyper-coherent state. And here we're going to do a big, deep breath. And out the mouth. Again. And out the mouth. One more time. Very nice. Slow it down. Even slower, even lighter. You feel your nervous system just dropping deeper and deeper. Very good. Okay, go ahead and drop the arms. So now we're going to get into a flow. We're going to take this energy just even deeper. Earth element, spleen. Now here's the thing, when we're overthinking, we're kind of scattered, our spleen energy gets deficient, which is our earth element. So it's our grounding. It's what anchors our mind and our body. So we're going to work on this simply. I'm going to take my hands right to the belly button. I'm going to sink down, hips go back, hands go forward, make a big kind of round circle here. Hips go way forward and down again. Here I'm going to inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Good. Now I want you to imagine bringing your mind, your awareness from your brain down the center of your spine, right down to your belly button, right the center of the body. Right into the center of the body. Just bring your mind there. Breathe. Pebble in the pond, as if a drop of consciousness is rippling out. Let this consciousness be stillness, calm, peace. One more time. Hands are going to come to the center and just relax, let it go. Good. I'm going to bring my hands, my feet to the center, hands over the belly. Thumbs are crossed, as you can see, right over the belly button. And we're just going to let the body relax and settle. Just bamboo in the wind. In other words, just let your body sway, whatever it needs to do. Big, deep breath in and out the nose. Couple breaths here just to settle the energy we've moved today. Just a very light, simple 10-minute little reset here for you. So just in 10 minutes we've shifted your energy. Just imagine what an hour of Qigong is going to do. Just an hour of Qigong, imagine what that would be like. So I have some longer videos on my channel if you want to dive in deeper. And I also have a school community called Peaceful Mind and Body. I really hope you join us because there's a mindfulness-based stress reduction 8-week course there that's going to teach you how to have more mindfulness in your mind and your body, how to overcome deep layers of trauma, unconscious programs through breath, through mindfulness, through NLP techniques, through hypnosis, through meditation. So there's this beautiful 8-week course in there, and also there's tons of free Qigong, free meditations. It's a beautiful, beautiful place for you. So the link to that is going to be in the description, Peaceful Mind Body on School. I hope to see you there, and thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again. Ahui Hao.